Hello friends, welcome to your channel Market Update. I hope you and your family are doing great during this pandemic. Today's video is going to on IRFC, Yes Bank and Punjab National Bank. We all know that IRFC and Yes Bank are trending and as well as PNB because the way these share were invested, people has invested their money in these share and everyone is looking for a good news related to them. So I will share news related to the Yes Bank, IRFC and as well as on Punjab National Bank. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel so that I can bring genuine news directly to you. So let's start today's video with IRFC, Indian Railway Finance Corporation. Company belongs to financial, mid cap and risk factor is really low. That's why we need to stay with this share. With one day performance, we can clearly see on Monday we had 0.21 on negativity. Within a week 6.47, within a month we can clearly see 3.25, and within a year minus 3.83. Why this share is still recommended? Because there are 3 points I would like to share with you. First point is this share has no red flag, means to say it is not listed in ASM or GSM. Second point is this share has given a good return when we compare it with bank FDs. So still we can hold on this. And the third point, this share has given a huge return on yearly basis. I will show you the reports as well. And the reason I would suggest no for this share. If you are looking for making any entry with this share, I would recommend please go ahead with your financial advisor, because this share has already entered its overbought zone. But if you have a vision for a long term, then definitely this share will give you a good return. If we talk about the analyst, so few analysts are suggesting this share may end up by 32 rupees within 6 months of span. So let's see. Let's have a look on its key matrices. According to key matrix, we can clearly see this share is still cheap. According to sector, dividend is good. Overall, if we're talking about forecast rating, 100% analysts are bullish on this share. The reason why analysts are bullish, because it's a low profile company, means to say low risk company, and if we compare it on basis of its return, this share has given us a good return. So here is the data that I was talking about. So in 2018 to 2021, we can clearly see one thing that notable with this IRFC. In comparison to its revenue, we can clearly notice one thing, that profit is increasing on yearly basis. So when we compare it to 2020 to 2021, we can clearly see 4,420 plus crore, and in 2020 it was 3.19 thousand of crore. So if we look on this figure, we can clearly see that company is growing, and this is the reason why the analysts are bullish on this share. Let's have a look on Yes Bank's performance. Within one day, almost 2%, within a week 1.15%, within a month of 17.94%. Why Yes Bank is good right now? Because Yes Bank starts to do all the things to retaining their customer and doing some partnerships so that they can sustain again in market. And Yes Bank also has a good news that they had a good progress in their loan and deposit as well. I will share this news later. And points why to stay with Yes Bank right now, because fundamentally this share is strong right now. Second point to stay on Yes Bank is because if you're looking for making any entry level with Yes Bank, yes, you can go ahead, because this share hasn't entered in its overbought zone. And the third point is that this share has no red flag, it's not listed in ASM and GSM as well. The only reason to worry about Yes Bank, if we compare to its return with bank FDs, this share fails right here. But if you have a long term vision, if you have a vision for a long term, then definitely you can go ahead with the Yes Bank. Further, I would suggest please go ahead with a financial advisor. They can definitely help you with the Yes Bank. Let's have a look on key matrices. According to its sector, this share is still looking cheap. That's why this is the time when you can make an entry with Yes Bank as well. And dividend is not good, but just because of the scams, we are seeing this kind of fluctuation with Yes Bank. Hope everything will sort out. And talking about the performance within the last 4 years, we can clearly notice one thing, that Yes Bank from 2018 to 22 starts to just decline. But after 2020, we can clearly notice one thing, that this share has recovered a lot and it recovers its overall loss. And after 10 quarters, yeah, Yes Bank has given a good result, and we hope that on upcoming quarter results, Yes Bank will show good news as well. The news that I was recommending is Yes Bank deposit grows to 30.1 on year, loan and advance up to 3.6%. So now the way the Yes Bank is performing, they are getting results accordingly. So if you are having the holdings of Yes Bank, I would recommend, please do not sell at this moment of time, because you had waited a long. Now this is the time where you have to keep your patience much more, because this year is going to rock again. Yet the growth rate will be slow, just because of the equity amount is really lost, and that's why the revenue they will generate with their overall sale and purchase will be less. But anyhow, Yes Bank will definitely again stand again in the market. Let's have a look on Punjab National Bank. Within one day, 1.23%. Within a week, 6.90%. Within a month, 7.04%. Within a year, 45.23%. And overall, if we talk about maximum, this share has given a 449.47. Why? Just because this share has started at a rate of 8 rupees 2 paise. So within a year, we can clearly notice one thing that is good with the Punjab National Bank is that this year has overcome of its loss, and now it starts to giving profit. Talking about its key matrices, still we can clearly see one thing, that still this share is cheaper than its sector. Dividend is not good. Almost 20% of analysts are looking right now for this Punjab National Bank, and earlier we have this figure as 0% because of the scams that took place with the Punjab National Bank. Now points that why we need to go with Punjab National Bank, that first point is this company is not listed in ASM or GSM. Second point is we can make entry right now, because this share does not enter to its overbought zone. And the final thing about the Punjab National Bank is that we can clearly notice that just like uh, Yes Bank, this share has from 2018 to 20 was in almost in loss, but after 2020 they start to get good hike, they start to make profit. That's why this is the time where we can make the entry with the Punjab National Bank. So with this, I would like to finish this video, and by the end, I would only recommend all of you to please take the advice of a financial advisor before making any decision, and also go ahead and do some market research so that you can understand all the terms that your financial advisor will advise you. So I hope you will like this video. Please support me, like, share and subscribe this channel.